All right, it's day 2. We got the Unk here with the GX 470. We're gonna tow this thing home. Rented the trailer, 70 bucks. Let's get this thing moving. So we got some pretty serious cancer for a car, but for a Karmann Ghia, actually not that bad. It's pretty typical where it has rusted. So I've already got plenty of sheet metal on its way. A couple things unavailable from the vendors that I ordered from, but I've got enough to work on already. So hopefully within that time they'll restock up and I'll be able to find it. I'm going to be replacing the left side rockers, the wheel sections. The front headlights will need to be replaced. Now the nose does have some rust. I was expecting worse. Fortunately this one, it's minimal, but before ordering that pre-made sheet metal for the nose, I think I'll try to patch it with some sheet metal stock that I have. I'm a diesel mechanic, I'm an auto mechanic. I'm definitely not a body guy. So gonna be a lot of learning going on here. So if you haven't done body work before and you're watching how I do it, not only will you see how to do some things, but you're definitely going to see what not to do as well. For the rocker panel on the right side, it's pretty solid. There's a small section of cancer on that. That's another one that I'll try to patch up. The left side rocker panel is completely gutted through. I've ordered a new rocker panel for. Once I get that rocker cut off, I may need to order additional pieces that for the inner side of that rocker panel, but we'll see what we got once we get in there.